Being an illustrator is also like being an actor. Like an actor, you are bringing a character to life. An actor has the stage, an illustrator has the page. An illustrator communicates stories visually, and a key part of showing how a character feels is by effectively drawing the emotions on their face. In this video, we're going to walk through how to quickly and effectively communicate emotion.
So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to draw a circle for each expression. I'm not going to draw ears, I'm going to draw hair, I'm not going to draw neck or body, because it's really all here in the face. So when you're very happy, everyone watching this, make a really happy face and feel what that does to your face. When you smile really big, pushes your cheek muscles up, and then you get a little line underneath your eyes. So when I draw my character and I have a line underneath their eyes, so the character already looks really happy. The character is smiling with their eyes.
Now, as we move along from expression to expression, you may want to pause the video to take time to draw the expressions yourself.
Sometimes we're really angry. So I want to make a really bad, angry face. And when you're really angry, your brows get crossed, it squishes together your forehead. And when you're really angry, you tend to tilt your head down and look at the source of your anger. Maybe your character is so angry that they're grinding their teeth. Right? Sometimes we're really sad. So everybody watching, please make a sad face. When you're really sad, your eyebrows shoot up. When you're really, really sad, you don't just frown. Your bottom lip comes out, and that is called pout. And a little pout is way more pathetic than just a frown. Down, just sad. Now, if you're really, really scared, when you're scared, your eyes grow wide and your pupils are surrounded by the white of your eyes. See how here and here the pupils are touching the circle part of the eyes, right? The round part, and they're dead center. That makes the character look really scared. What if you're like really tired? You're like so tired that you can't even. And when you're so tired, your muscles don't have the energy to work. And that includes the muscles in your face. So fairly expressionless, and those eyelids are going to be covering top part of the eyes, pupils. You're just like really confused. Like you have no idea what's going on. Like none of this is making any sense. One eyebrow goes down, one eyebrow goes up. Your stories might be about humans. However, Your story might be about an animal. Maybe, let me get a color here. Maybe your story takes place on a farm and your character is a pig. Maybe your story takes place in a forest and your character is an angry bear. Some animals will have different appendages that we don't have, and that can help you have the character emote, which means to show expression. It could be that your character is an elephant. And what does an elephant have? An elephant has a big long trunk and big floppy ears. But that trunk can really help the character show facial expression. So if you were a sad elephant, trunk would come down. But if you were a scared elephant, that trunk would come up. Now, maybe your character is a bunny rabbit. Bunny rabbit has teeth, little nose, some whiskers. That's two floppy ears. Those two floppy ears can really show a lot of expression. So if your character is tired, those ears can come flopping down. In fact, one of my books, it's called Naptastrophe. And this book was originally about a human kid, but it's about a kid who does not want to nap, and it's just a total naptastrophe. And so I wanted to be able to use those floppy ears to help express how tired but character. It's not. Maybe your character isn't even on this world. Maybe it's some kind of alien and they have antennae that are going everywhere.
I'm excited to see how you might take all of this information and bring it to your characters. Have fun drawing.